and welcome back to my channel. My name's Adam Berry and I help busy people fit fitness into their lives. And I've got a client testimonial coming up for you right now. If you want to subscribe to the channel, go and click that little bell now.
My name's Victoria and I'm a member of the Fitness Collective. I'm in my 30s, I'm the mother of a preschooler and I'm a solicitor who sits at my desk for most of the day. I've been working with Adam now for just over 3 years. So I've struggled with my weight for a number of years. I've done all the programs with big companies, I've done shakes, I've done detoxes, but I've never been happy with any of the results that I've got. I work out absolutely loads. I've done boot camps, I've done back-to-back gym classes, I've even completed 3 mountain ultra marathons and I've still not got it. It's only when I started to listen to Adam and embrace what he has within the Fitness Collective that I've actually started to make some real progress. What Adam advises does really work. His programs work. So I'm currently doing the 10-minute fitness solution, and finally I've started to lose some weight and feel a lot better about myself. And the great thing is that, what Adam advises and what his programs are, they're not faddy and they don't cost you hundreds of pounds, which is really easy to do on some other programs. I absolutely love the community that is the Fitness Collective. It's a great support tool with other people just like you available to talk to on the Facebook groups. Granted, Adam doesn't look like your average personal trainer, but I don't regret my decision at all. I think it's absolutely great.
If you enjoyed Vicki's story, she's a fantastic client and I love working with her day in and day out. Now don't forget, if you want to join the Fitness Collective, then the link is below, so make sure you check that out in the description. But above all, if you want to watch a couple more of my videos, right here, I've got how to keep and stay motivated. And right here, I've got another client testimonial for you, just so you can see whether these results are stuff I get with people just like you, day in and day out. Thanks for being here. See you again soon. Bye.